Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate GetResponse with Clickfunnels. There's a few more steps than the usual integration. If you want to see the integration of GetResponse with WordPress, you'll find another video of mine right here. And this one, just come up here to menu to find your API key, integrations and API. Go to API, and here you can generate a new API key. I already have it generated for Clickfunnels, so I'll copy here. Now you'll go to your Clickfunnels account, and here is where there's the extra step. So you'll go to your account settings. Let me get myself out of the way here. You'll go to integrations. I have already two GetResponse accounts connected, but it doesn't matter. Just come up here, add new integration. Choose GetResponse. Once you have it, just enter a name. As you can see, in my case, I have two GetResponse accounts, so I need different names. If you don't enter, just put GetResponse. If you don't intend to integrate different GetResponse accounts, paste your API key right here and add integration. And your GetResponse account will be integrated with Clickfunnels, but it's not ready to use yet. Let's say you want to integrate it in a funnel. I'll show you how to do that. Let's go here as an example. So edit page, and you need to integrate it now with your opt-in. So it starts collecting your emails. You can see here, in my case, it's already integrated. It has the check mark. So you'll just go up here to settings, integrations, and I'm going to remove this integration and connect it again so you can see how it works. You would see it like this. Just find here, GetResponse. This is the account I want to connect. And then add to campaign. And you'll select the list where you want them to be added to. And that's it, connected. Just make sure you get the check mark up here. And that's it. Save. And your contacts now should be going to your GetResponse account to the specified list. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.